Yep.
All right, world. I'm JP, James and Charlie's dad. Today, we are going to unbox the Good Publishing Company Bible that I got courtesy of Union Los Angeles. Thank you, Union. Pretty awesome.
Ooh.
I'm using my Penna X Series Barlow knife to cut it. Brown Mercata
Interesting.
handle. Thank you, James. All right, you ready? Can you see it?
Mm-hmm.
All right, ready? Get a good look of it here. Here it is. Do you see it?
Yeah.
Whoa, this is pretty sweet.
Looks crazy. So it's a Bible, right?
It's a Bible.
Ooh, it's big. Big case for just a Bible.
Do you see it?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's all red
Wow.
and
It's just
stuff.
a
All right,
box.
go back to the knife.
Don't get the Bible.
I'm not gonna cut it. All right, let's see. This will throw it in the trash. All right, can you guys see it?
Yeah.
All right, ready? I'm gonna put it on the floor here. Cool box it comes in.
I know, right? We might actually keep that in hand.
Definitely gonna keep it. Here, help me.
Sure. Okay.
Ah. Fix that. Oh, cool. What's this say, Charlie? What's this say? Move it over here.
Good Publishing Co.
But he said to them, "It is I, don't be afraid." John 6:20. There you go.
That's our Bible verse.
That's your message, Bible.
Uh-huh.
Very cool box. Okay.
Should I get like a...
Here is the Good Publishing Company. Good Publishing Company's Bible.
And
Whoa.
the moment you've all been waiting for.
Look at this. It turns into a cross.
Let's see that.
Whoa. What's the
Don't
CJ in it?
be afraid.
Don't be afraid. John 6:20. And here's
There
the
it
Bible.
is.
It's interesting. This is big.
Wow.
It's like probably
Very cool.
200 pages.
Old Testament.
Yeah. Where's the New
Ooh,
Testament?
the pages feel great.
What do they feel like?
Really?
Oh yeah, they do feel good. Feel it.
Feels good, huh?
Yeah, it's good.
Ooh, that feels good.
Yeah, it feels like fresh
Very
wood.
cool.
Feels like fresh wood.
All right. Well, that is pretty sweet. We should go and put this.
Probably somewhere.
Let's go put this on the mantle next to the cause figure.
Let's go do it. And if you guys haven't seen our cause video yet, we are probably going to take a picture and probably also here. Like, there's also
All right, guys.
it's over there in the corner, that box. Like, I'll
It's a
probably
cause
I'll
box.
get close.
And guys, don't forget our like skateboard video, like the skateboard unwrapping
In the
too.
back.
All right.
Yeah, right.
Bye, everyone.
Bye.